babe, where are we going?
We are going to get a Christmas tree.
What's a Christmas tree? I'm just kidding.
It's a weird tradition that if it wasn't already a tradition would make absolutely no sense. To take a perfectly healthy live tree that's living its own life outside and then cut it down and bring it into your house where it creates a mess, and you look at it and it's pretty, but if it wasn't already traditionally, if somebody, you know, said they I don't know what something else equivalent would be, but if it wasn't our tradition it would be really weird. But it is our tradition, so it's fun and it's cool.
White people. Oh, we're gonna do it. No, just kidding. No, anyway, but for real, I enjoy it, but it's still very difficult to explain. Like,
right.
If I try to explain that to people that like back home, I think I'll be roasted.
Oh, it's not, Christmas trees aren't a thing in Zimbabwe?
They are, but artificial Christmas trees, right?
I see. Yeah.
Or even in Kenya, like, I mean,
so
I didn't grow up
pine
with
trees don't grow wild in Zimbabwe?
See, the Zimbabwean man I married to, the Zimbabwean Canadian.
That's how we bonded.
Well, what are you up to back there? Are you gonna say hi, guys, again? Nice. We're gonna go get a Christmas tree and we're gonna see Alistair, Hugo, Agnes, and you can show them how it's done. No, you don't need to save that for Aggie. I think Aggie is okay. She probably had breakfast. Her mother is probably more decent, and father, they're decent people, so they probably made a fresh German breakfast, homemade. So yeah.
Nice work.
Bo, did you cut the tree?
Yeah.
Okay, where are the...
Was it?
I think so.
It was a lot of fun.
It would be better if it was snow, but you can't
Yeah.
have everything. At least it wasn't raining.
Oh yeah, last year was raining, yeah? Oh no, the first year was snowing.
The first year was snowing. That's why we went with your mom and dad.
Yeah, and I like that. That looks like a scene of a horror movie, like that random guy walking across the street.
Oh yeah. What random guy? I haven't seen it.
Okay. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. I'm glad that everyone was able to come. Oh, not everyone except for Carolyn. Yeah.
Everyone wasn't sick.
Everyone wasn't sick, and hopefully this year, you know, no one is sick for Christmas. I thought we knock on wood.
Yeah, exactly.
Bo, did you enjoy Christmas tree cutting? Did you enjoy it?
Did you use your saw?
Yeah.
Oh, you used his first porta potty?
Yeah, you used a saw. Did you help Daddy to cut the tree with your saw?
Cut.
You get a tree fall on your head?
Yeah. Survived your first tree fall?
Got it going or what's...
Oh, boy.
Oh, it's pretty straight, eh?
It's slightly tilted to the right.
So bring it back this way, like back towards the window.
Back towards a little bit this way.
I'm gonna go finish up.
3, 2, 1. Ready?
Yeah.
Maybe you start at the top. That makes more sense.
I can't remember what you did last
I think
time.
top makes more sense. Okay, you do the bottom bow and I'll do the top. Here we go.
Oh, look at it. Whoa. How big and cool is the tree? Is it working, Bo?
Yeah.
It works.
This, okay.
You're gonna measure?
Can you make sure it's the right size, Bo?
How many centimeters is that? How many inches is that, Bo? 8?